playing the role of a peacemaker ended negatively for Benbow Street resident Shanique Morris, who was stabbed in 2017 as she tried to end a brawl between her sister and another woman. And people, right now, this is the sister, right, of Candy Wow. So now, I'm going to tell you the full story right now, people, how she ended up into a wheelchair. Because many people see this nice, beautiful girl and they're saying, how did she end up in a wheelchair like that? You understand? So now, Newlink going to give you the full update on it. Pointing to a heel stab wound on the left side of her neck, Morris explained that her spine was injured during the incident and she is now confined to a wheelchair. The incident occurred while she was 6 months pregnant with her now 2-year-old son, Diego, and the mother of 2 says she feels completely useless as she is unable to gain meaningful employment because of her condition. The 24-year-old said that she is seeking assistance to get an ankle foot orthosis, AFO, which she said will help to support her weakened limbs. This incident has affected me so much. Sometimes I sit in my room and cry and ask God to take my life. I will want to work and earn $1 and I can't do it. Right now, it's just my baby father and my parents that are doing everything. I don't want to depend on them forever. Sometimes my daughter tell me say she hungry and I can't help her. And it hurt me. Right now, I would appreciate if I could get help to buy the AFO because I want to be independent again. She is between sides. Morris gave her recollection of the event that almost cost her life and that of her unborn child. We were at a bingo game when my sister got into a fight with another woman. They were cuddled up together and I was trying to part the fight and I felt something hit me in my neck. When I turned around, I couldn't feel any power in my legs come right up to my hands. I tried to hold on to the bingo table to stand up, but I almost balanced and fell on my back. I couldn't move. When my friends tried to put me up to sit, I couldn't because my back fell wiggingly like jello, she said. After being discharged from hospital, Morris sought therapy at Sir John Golden Rehabilitation Center in Mona, St. Andrew, and afterwards she managed to deliver her son via C-section. My mother had to take my son while I went back to Mona Rehab to do therapy. It was there that I learned to sit up. I can't feel from my breast going down. I can't feel my belly or anything simple. Stuff like going to the bathroom and even filling a cup with water. I can't look a regular job because no one wants to employ anyone like me, she said. She told the news that before the incident occurred, she had plans of becoming a practical nurse and was even attending classes. Everything is slowed up now, but I know that one day I will walk again and I will be able to do all that I set out to do. All I am asking for is a little help to get back on my feet, she said. Persons wishing to assist Shanique Morris may contact her mother, Alicia Tucker, at 876-482-2189. Number again, 876-482-2189. Number again, 876-482-2189. And as you can see right now, my viewers and my subscribers, right now, as you see Shanique Morris, right? And this is the sister of popular internet sensation Candy Wow. And my viewers and subscribers, you know, sometimes we will see something going on, fight, especially with their family, and we see it happen over and over, and we feel like we should intervene to try to protect our loved ones. But in the end, people, we are the one who be the victims, who get hurt, who get pain, sometimes even die. You know what I mean? It's really a sad situation, but you're just trying to be the peacemaker. But in the end, people, we want to see this young lady got what she needed and get strong up again. As she said, she want to be independent. So let's help her, right? And the number will be right in the description, people. So please, if you can call her, contact her, give her your love, give her your support, people. Show her that you care, and let Jamaica, we stand together and help this young lady. Again, my people, this is New Link from New Link Production, coming to you with another one. Peace, love, respect, blessings, and I mean say, attack. Enough love, people, enough respect, peace. I'm out. Big up.